Up guys, we have a sensor that goes internal inside the tailgate. So basically the way it works is it hooks up to the factory alarm system. We do sell the kit. It's $155 and you'll get the installation video. For those who wants to protect the tailgates, they are stealing the tailgates. They are busting out the keyhole and taking out the whole tailgate. We have it for Chevy, for Ford, basically any pickup truck, but you gotta have a factory alarm installed. If you have an aftermarket alarm, you can still tie it in, but it's basically for more like for trucks that have the factory alarm. Any aftermarket alarm, I can show you how to tie it into the aftermarket alarm as well. Basically I just armed it. The reason why I didn't close it to arm it because he put the lock, so it will lock the tailgate and I won't be able to open it. So we gotta wait a few seconds because factory alarms have a delay when you arm it. You should see a little lock on the front dash right by the passenger side. It's gonna be solid once it starts flashing, and then you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it now, wait a few seconds, and then I'm going to lower the tailgate and you're going to see that the factory alarm is going to set off. We do sell this. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're in Miami, Homestead, Fort Lauderdale, we can come out and do the installation for you. If you're out of state, don't worry, you can still have this. Just give us a call, we'll sell you the kit and we'll provide you the installation video. It should take you no more than 35-40 minutes to do it. Very easy. Everything is built in inside. It goes inside the tailgate. You got to take off this lid here, and then the sensor mounts inside. It's a lot cleaner than having some kind of plunger here, which will get rusty, and you know, it's just gonna look like hell. And a lot of these trucks won't even work because it doesn't even line up to the side here, which is the only way you could possibly do it. So yeah, this is cleaner. It's built in inside the tailgate, and everything looks factory. Nice little deck system too. So whoever has these deck systems, and you definitely don't want anybody in the middle of the night busting out the tailgate and even going inside your deck system. We thank you for watching this video. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you want to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and do that.